bless you.
Thanks, bro. Sorry, bro. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Corona?
I'm feeling something here on my throat.
Are you sure you're okay or you're having corona already?
No, I'm okay. No, I'm feeling headache, cold. I don't have corona. No. Come on, guys. Like, seriously, I don't have corona.
I'm too good at good.